This is for all Nigerian girls. Bring your seat, relax, and watch this short video from us. Your journey to a brighter future begins today. Tonight has to be worth it. I'm not leaving without making money. As long as the money comes in, I'm ready for anything. Let's just be careful. This city rewards bold people.
See us everywhere they shine. This night go swing.
Focus. We don't come here to waste time. This place is beautiful. Tonight feels different. Stay focused. We're here for a reason.
You ladies stand out. Come join me.
I don't feel too comfortable. Why does he keep talking to those men? It's not right. Let's just stay quiet.
Relax. You're safe here.
Something feels wrong. I don't like this man. Let's go.
You're not going anywhere.
Run! Now's our chance.
Hurry, don't wait! Go!
Keep going. Freedom is just ahead. Get out, girls. We need to leave now. They're watching us. Please, let's just go. Let's be alive. Run! Don't stop. Keep fighting. No!
What's going on? Why are you running?
Please help us. We're in danger. They tried to trap us.
Get in, now.
Officer, please. Our friend is still inside. She couldn't escape with us.
They're dangerous. You must act quickly if something happens to her.
They witnessed everything.
They can identify the suspects and lead to the exchange.
Oh my God. You're safe. We thought we lost you. It's over now. Nobody is hurting you again. We made it out.
We could have lost our lives tonight.
Never been that scared before. We made the wrong choices.
No. You still have a chance. You don't have to live like this.
Then what do we do?
Learn skills. Build a real future.
A better way really exists?
Welcome to Digital Bazooka's Tech Academy, where technology is made simple. We offer virtual assistants, customer support, cybersecurity, digital marketing, and our comprehensive ITF Plus program.
We guide you step by step. Starting to understand this.
This feels different. Better. We're not going back.
I got the job! A remote job!
This changes everything. We're not going back. Today, we choose growth, a real chance to build something meaningful.
No more fear.
If you're tired of struggling and ready for something better, if you truly want a real and honest way to grow, something that can completely transform your life. At Digital Bazooka's Tech Academy, we bridge the gap between ambition and expertise. Our programs are designed to launch your career in the tech industry. Partner with us to transform the future of business in Nigeria.
Listen up! Register with us at Digital Bazooka's Tech Academy! Build your skills, earn in dollars, and take control of your future!